Thank you. The tragedy at a local FedEx ground facility is now sparking changes to how Indiana's red flag law is prosecuted in Marion County.
The prosecutor previously came under heavy criticism for not filing a red flag case against the suspected shooter in the mass murder. Fox 59's Jesse Wells explains what changes police, prosecutors, and a judge have agreed to.
Moving forward, all red flag reports taken by IMPD will be directly filed in this courtroom with Judge Amy Jones. That takes away some of the responsibility for filing those cases from the prosecutor's office. In March 2020, police were called to this home after an Indianapolis mother reported her son wanted to attempt suicide by cop. Police seized a shotgun and placed Brandon Holt on a temporary hold, but after the family agreed to forfeit the firearm, prosecutors did not file a petition with the Marion County Court to determine if Holt was an ongoing threat, potentially banning him from buying any guns. Holt then legally purchased 2 assault rifles months later, which he used to kill 8 former co-workers at the FedEx ground facility. That sparked a Marion County judge to decide to change how red flag cases are handled.
So what the judge has asked us to do from law enforcement perspective is simply file what amounts to basically a search warrant after the fact to the court.
IMPD Assistant Chief Chris Bailey says following a meeting with Judge Amy Jones, from now on IMPD will have 48 hours to file all red flag cases with Jones's court, and 2 judges will decide whether to hold a hearing on the issue within 14 days.
I think that people should take solace and know that their criminal justice partners are working together with the court.
When court hearings are requested, the prosecutor's office will still play an important role prosecuting those cases and will now employ a second prosecutor to assist in those reviews.
It's still a great and a close partnership with the prosecutor's office because ultimately at the end of the day the prosecutor's office has to present evidence to the court in order to get that person declared a dangerous person.
Finally, Prosecutor Mears declined to comment on camera today, but his office confirms some of these discussions had started before the FedEx shooting, but was obviously accelerated following that tragedy. Jesse Wells, Fox 59 News.
Jesse, thank you. We have an update this afternoon to a story we brought you as breaking news.